our four-wheel drive selection is literally off the chart at the moment, and another incredible car has just arrived. This is a 2018 68 plate Range Rover Sport HSE Dynamic in the best colour, Yulong White. Beautiful, beautiful colour. Being the Dynamic, it's got some lovely body styling, but big thing for me, it's got a contrasting red interior, which I'll show you straight away. It's got a sliding roof, it's got a black contrasting roof as well. 21-inch dynamic wheels, but just come and have a little look inside first and foremost. So I think that's what's going to sell this car. The sliding roof is a big option, by the way, but this interior against the white, it always tends to be a very popular combination. I do love the red interior of a Range Rover Sport, whether it be one of these or an SVR. It just gives you that little bit something else. It's a stunning car, 22,000 miles on the clock. Like I say, look at the roof. The contrasting roof also makes a big difference with the contrasting black mirrors and that sliding panoramic sunroof. You'll see we've also got fixed side steps, but the colour, it's Yulong White. It's not your average normal white colour. It shimmers in the sun, it's metallic, and it can almost look a grey in certain lights. Maybe in our showroom on the video, you might look like a very light grey colour. It's beautiful. Because this car is a Dynamic, you can see we've got the dynamic lights to the front with the sweeping indicators front and rear. The Dynamic gives it this extra painted section at the bottom of the car, which just lifts it. And then the 21-inch dynamic wheels as well. Diamond cut with the black sections, matching throughout the car in the bonnet and the wing inserts. It really is a seller. Beautiful, beautiful car. Full service history car will come fully prepared by us. Normal Land Rover, Range Rover Sport features like keyless entry, keyless start, heated rear seats, powered tailgate. I've already mentioned these dynamic indicators to the rear as well as part of the dynamic lights. Also looks stunning. Black boot finisher, reversing camera, and then again, loads of space in the back of a Sport as you'd expect. This car's got air suspension. It's switchable in the boot. You can raise and lower the car from these little buttons. Bottom section of this car as well, all painted in white as part of the dynamic pack. Beautiful condition car. And then again, let's look at the interior. What a stunning interior it is. Broken up with some slight black bits on the seats. It's lovely. I do love it. Range Rover Sport technologies, you'll see we've got a slightly different design steering wheel in this car because it's the dynamic steering wheel, which is slightly smaller. But let's run through some of the features. So into the doors, we've got Meridian surround sound stereo system. We have got memory seats for driver and passenger, which are fully electric, switchable on the seat itself. We've got keyless start, the dynamic steering wheel with full digitalised interface behind the steering wheel as well, which is switchable to your maps, your clocks, your rev counter, and you can change that as you wish. Cruise control and lane departure, ceramic dials on the steering wheel as well, which is nice, and your Bluetooth controls are on the left. Operation system, really easy to use. Nav, Bluetooth, phone interface, smartphone interface, Apple, Android, CarPlay. Go back into the home screen. We've got seats, which are heated for driver and passenger, front and rear screens, which are heated, digital climate control, and then your vehicle and terrain settings. This is a dynamic car, so you have got the dynamic drive, which is switchable on the screen or down here with this little jog. Your air suspension, raise and lower the car with these buttons here, electronic park brake, more space under the armrest, 2 keys for the car, piano black across the dashboard, and look at the break-up of the dashboard with the black steering wheel, the red dash, the red doors. It's beautiful. Tilt and slide roof, of course. It'll go fully closed, and we've got a blind to shut off that roof if you just want it to be nice and dark inside the cabin. With 22,000 miles on, this is a lovely example in a great colour with the red interior. 3-litre diesel engine giving you great fuel efficiency, but more than that, it's about the way this car looks. With the big option of the black contrasting roof and the sunroof, it's a lovely, lovely car. HSE Dynamic going live on the website now. My name's Richard. You can call me on the number on the screen and chat to me about this car. Thanks for watching.